Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a disco song in a GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can get started playing. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started creating a disco song. Basically, guys, we have two ways we can go. The first way is to find a pre-made song that we can then edit for ourselves. So you want to go into the live loop section right here that you can find at the top of the screen once you open up the application. And as you can see here, we can find all the live loops that have been pre-made by Apple that you can access. So you can see we have the EDM option, we have the electro funk house and so on. So you can open up any of the options. Let's say you want house option right here, and it's going to open up this pre-made loop that you can get started with using. So maybe this is something that you want to create, like then you can go ahead and edit the instruments, select whatever else you want to play and so on. And basically this is one of the ways to get started for your liking. But if you want to create it from scratch, what you want to do is go into the tracks right here and get started with adding your instruments. So guys, obviously a disco song is going to have a keyboard. So what you want to do is, let's say, open up the keyboard, and this is going to open up the recording menu where you can get started with recording. So by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen, it's going to start the recording process where you can get started playing your music. After recording your music, guys, and adding all of the instruments, you can find them right here in the upper left corner by clicking the edit menu. It's going to open up this mixing mode right here. We can find all the instruments you have added. As you can see here, we have our grand piano, our track, and we can get started adding even other instruments by going back to the menu and adding, let's say, drums or strings or whatever we want to get our desired disco song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.